and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about how to speak English confidently and fluently and what is really important to learn English speaking. So I'm going to tell you is today that the most important thing if you really want to speak in English, if you really want to learn English speaking is one thing, is your action, is your positive attitude towards learning. You have to think in your mind that you can speak in English and you will be able to speak English one day. But it is a process. You have to change your thought process. You have to think in your mind that you can speak in English confidently like the native speaker. So if you think in your mind, so your mind will work like that. You will start reading newspaper, you will start learning vocabulary, you will start listening English media, you will start speaking in English with your friends or in front of mirror. So your mind will work like that. But if you will think that you will not be able to speak in English, either you are doing the practice, so your practice will become low, you will keep doing other things rather than learning English speaking or reading English newspapers. So the main thing is your positive attitude, your action towards learning English speaking. You have to think positively that you will be able to speak in English like the native speaker, so you will be able, and definitely you will speak in English like native one day. But the one major thing which I would like to tell you is nothing, just your positive attitude towards learning English speaking. You have to take action. You have to start reading newspaper from today itself. So if you will start reading, your pronunciation will become better, your vocabulary will become better, your confidence will improve. So there is so many advantage of reading newspaper. I usually read newspaper every day. You can see this is the Times of India, of today's Times of India. I used to read newspaper every day because it is really helpful for me. If newspaper reading is very helpful for me, so this will be also very helpful for you. You just need to buy the newspaper every day, try to read it. If you cannot buy regular basis, buy on an alternative basis, or even you can buy once in a week. You can read one page in a one day, or you can spend your 45 minutes with the reading with your newspaper on every day. All depends upon you. But reading will improve your vocabulary. I can give you the guarantee. Second is listening. Listening will help you in the communication skills, that how to speak in English. When you will listen the people while speaking in English, so you will learn that how to speak English like native. So if you will do these practices, so you will improve your communication skills, because I have told you many times that English has very potential. Even you want to go for study for overseas, so you need English, or you want to join a corporate companies, so you again need English communication skills. So if your communication skills are good, so you can easily get the jobs in corporate sector, or you can go for overseas studies. So English is very important, but you need to do one thing, that you have to keep on learning English speaking. If you do keep on learning English speaking, so you will be able to speak English like a native one day. So I hope you liked the video of today. See you in the next video. Keep on learning. That's all for today. Thank you so much.